blah 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 blah.
I'm starting to feel bad for David Baszucki. Lately, the Roblox CEO has been getting a lot of hate because of recent updates, like age verification and removing classic features. But now, a clip from an interview is going around where David looks really tired and sad. After seeing that, some players changed their tone. They're saying the hate might be too much, and that he's probably under a lot of stress running Roblox. Others think he's not the only one making these decisions. Does he deserve the hate?